Camping with Emmy. I'm Denise. In today's episode, I am going to be cutting down a foam mattress. Now, this mattress is going in the bunk area of our camper. And in a previous episode, I redid the entire bunks in our camper. We have two, and they turned out really adorable. So if you would like to see that video, as well as all the previous videos we've done so far to restore our 1999 camper, please subscribe to our channel. When I did my bunk bed reveal, I discovered that the new mattresses that I purchased on Amazon fit very, very tightly. So tightly that we could barely get them in or out, let alone get the encasement put over top of this, as well as any kind of a fitted sheet. It's so tight. So then and there I decided, okay, what I need to do is just cut this down a little bit. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, I'd like to add right off the bat that you really need to check with your manufacturer before you cut into your mattress, whether it's a Memory Foam mattress or any other kind of mattress, because some of them contain fiberglass. And so you want to make sure before you unzip it and take it out of its encasement and cut it that it's free of fiberglass. These I bought on Amazon, and these are just a high density foam, and I know that there is no fiberglass in these, so I know that they are safe to cut on. So I'm just going to be trimming these on my kitchen floor here. We have old linoleum that needs to be replaced, and so it doesn't matter if it gets messed up a little bit. One of these days I will get to that project, but for today I'm going to be cutting down the foam for these mattresses. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to unzip the cover on my foam. Then I'm going to take my straight edge and a pen, and I'm going to mark off how much I want to cut. I'm going to take approximately 1 inch across the side and across the bottom. Then I'm going to use a serrated cake knife or bread knife to cut the foam. Now, I know that you can also use an electric knife, and we do have one. However, I feel that I would have a little bit more control by just using this serrated knife. So we'll see how this goes. So what you want to do first is you just want to score the top of this. So you're just going to do a light pass all the way down with your straight edge. And then you're just going to give it a little bit more pressure and go down a few more times. And all the while trying to hold your knife straight as you can get it. And it's basically almost just like cutting a loaf of bread. You're just going to make some passes. And once it gets so deep, you can remove the ruler, and you can see down here where I've already started, and I've already got this cut, and you can see that turned out pretty darn nice right down there. And I'm just going to continue on here. Turn this, just like you're cutting a loaf of bread. You're just going to go back and forth, trying to keep your knife as straight as you can. And with each pass, you just go a little deeper and a little deeper until you finally cut all the way through. And there you have it. I cut the end first, and then I cut the long side, as you can see here. And it is a little bit messy. You can see that there's little bits of foam on the floor, but nothing that you can't sweep up with the broom. And I don't know about an electric knife, if it would cut a little bit cleaner. Maybe it would, because I have not tried that. However, I had really good luck just using this serrated cake knife. And I think that this is going to work out so much better. Now I'll be able to get my mattresses in my bunks and actually be able to put sheets on them. So I think I have attained my goal. You know that old saying that says you should try something scary every day? Well, this project falls into that category because I was a little intimidated to do this. I'd never cut a foam mattress before. And because these were brand new, we just bought them, I really didn't want to mess them up. But I'm very happy to say that the foam is back in its case. And because I didn't take that much off it, it still fits beautifully. And now it's ready to go back in the bunks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you like it, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. And please subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our previous renovations we've done so far in our camper and any upcoming ones that we still have yet left to do. So on behalf of Rick and Emmy and myself, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.